Hi, welcome in my kitchen as we make some soft chapati. We need sugar, oil, and some salt. Now measure your flour and sieve it so that there's no lumps in them. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients, salt and sugar. Mix your flour very well. We are going to mix it with some lukewarm water. Don't put all the water at once, just add a bit by bit as you mix. Add water bit by bit. Make sure your hands are clean. Continue mixing. You can see I'm adding water, a little bit of it, not at once, just bit by bit. Continue touching in the water until you get the right soft dough that you desire. The dough becomes softer and softer. Now my dough is soft, I'm going to add my oil. Once you add your oil, continue mixing until the oil disappears. My dough is almost ready. My dough is ready now, nice and stretchy. Cover your dough for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to roll out my dough. Make sure your ball is round and circled nicely so it's easy for you to roll it out. Make your own circle before you put it on the board. Add some flour so it's easy for you to roll out your chapati. You can add flour as you roll out your chapati so that it's easy for you to roll it out. Make sure your pan is on the stove on the medium heat to avoid your chapati becoming hard or dry. Do not cook too long or keep the heat too low. Once you see the bubbles on your chapati, That's when you can flip it over. Put some oil on the chapati, not too much. Flip it over. Do the same on the other side. Flip it over. Make sure you cook all the corners. Your heat must be on medium. Don't make it too high, don't make it too low, to avoid your chapati to get harder. And don't cook it too long. Once you cook it too long, it gets harder.